In today's competitive retail world, offering discounts is an effective tactic for attracting customers and driving sales. Recognizing this, Shopify POS allows sellers to generate custom discount codes and apply percentage-based discounts directly from the point-of-sale system. This technology streamlines the checkout process, allowing companies to effortlessly offer personalized discounts to their customers. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of custom discounts in Shopify POS, emphasizing how they enable shops to improve customer experience, increase sales, and create loyalty. Discounts for customer satisfaction. Custom discounts in Shopify POS allow retailers to make customized offers that are geared to certain consumer categories or marketing campaigns. Retailers may increase consumer happiness and loyalty by creating unique discount codes. These unique discounts can be targeted to certain client categories, such as VIP customers, new customers, or subscribers. Retailers may build customer connections, increase engagement, and encourage repeat purchases by providing personalized offers. Additionally, retailers can include personalized discounts into their marketing plans and promotional activities. Whether it's a seasonal sale, a holiday promotion, or a clearance event, Shopify POS enables retailers to design discount coupons that resonate with their target audience, increasing sales and maximizing the effectiveness of their marketing efforts. Simplifying the checkout process. Shopify POS's custom discount functionality streamlines the checkout process by allowing sellers to add discounts directly from the point-of-sale system. Retailers can develop and enter bespoke discount codes, allowing cashiers to simply apply the discount at the point of purchase. This eliminates the need for manual computations or different systems for discount application, streamlining the checkout process and increasing productivity. Furthermore, percentage-based discounts can be applied directly to products or the full purchase, simplifying the discount application process for both customers and cashiers. Shopify POS ensures accuracy and lowers the chance of human error during checkout by automating discount computations. The streamlined checkout process not only saves time but also improves the consumer experience. Customers can enjoy a quick and easy checkout without having to manually calculate or give real discount coupons. This convenience generates a favorable perception of the retailer, increasing client loyalty and repeat business. Flexible discount management. Shopify POS provides retailers with extensive discount management tools, allowing them to control the terms and circumstances of their unique promotions. Retailers can choose the period of the discount, set usage limits, and define minimum purchase criteria. This ensures that discounts are used as intended and prevents abuse or misuse. Additionally, Shopify POS allows retailers to measure and analyze the success of their unique offers. Retailers can develop reports to assess the impact of different discount codes or percentage-based discounts on sales performance, customer acquisition, or average order value. This data-driven strategy allows merchants to fine-tune their discount methods, improve their promotional efforts, and maximize their return on investment. Integration and scalability. Shopify POS's bespoke discount capability integrates smoothly into overall retail processes, allowing enterprises of all sizes and scales. Retailers can quickly set up and customize personalized discounts within their Shopify POS system, adapting them to their own business needs and brand identity. Shopify POS's unique discount options evolve and extend with the retailer. Retailers, whether operating a single store or managing many locations, can conveniently manage their discount codes and percentage-based discounts, guaranteeing consistency across all sales channels and creating a unified consumer experience.